Previously on The Bartender.
I told him I wanted a store to showcase my fashion designs, and he told me no.
Sandra!
I always get what I want.
Forward and see message on table about she gonna go do here.
At least she leave a note.
Last got this in a brother. So you see another one here? I prefer we go in and come out without casualties.
Shappy look like he might get involved in some illegal things.
Bubbles, Shappy good man.
I always tell you say you have a singing voice, you know. I have to try a fighting, man.
What you do to my mother?
When people become a problem to me, two options them have. Either I get rid of them or I control them.
You work for me.
3 + 3 = 6.
Yeah, you know another song. Never dummy company. They sell land to unsuspecting rich people. Then disappear.
I'm not doing no scamming with you.
You own the company.
What?
You know, so when you get documents, you can read them. What have to do something about that brother, you know.
You see, if I did like one time when I have my place, I just pack up and go me yard and give you space.
Are you happy in your relationship? So let me ask you something. Are you really going to let this slide?
I've never seen people like this before.
And you think a guy could have really love you and put him hands on you?
I'm gonna keep my reason to be angry.
What? And you feel so that give me right to hit you?
Kai,
Dennis, hear me I say, do not take up for him. You need to know your words. So you tell me say you want them woman there who feel say when a man box you or put him hand on you, it means they love you.
I'm confused. I don't know what to do.
You need to file a report. That's what you need to do.
No. I don't want the police get involved. And it's never that serious anyways.
You hear yourself? You hear your sound? Are you that weak? You weak? You don't feel say your word something? It don't cool for your man to put a hand on no woman. That me feel.
Kyle, what you want me to do? What you want me to do? It made me give up my place. We live together. I have nowhere else to go.
You have somewhere here, you know. Look at me. Right here with me. Let's go get this stuff. Alright? Are you sure you want to go in by yourself?
Yeah, I have to do this.
It was all a dream.
Sir?
Agent, you seem to be losing sight of your assignment.
I'm not, sir.
I beg to differ. When you enrolled in the force 15 years ago, I saw something special in you. Something more than just a police officer.
And I wanted more than that, sir.
And what did we do?
Made me fail my exams.
But called you right back a week later to assign you to a special undercover task force.
And I appreciated that, sir.
And since then, you've blended well with civilian life. You've given us 22 solid leads and busts in 15 years. But now, you seem to be in too deep. You're getting emotionally attached.
I'm not.
I'm not what?
I'm not getting emotionally attached, sir.
Your friend seems to be linked to this land scamming ring, and you want to imply that it's your friend's ex-husband who's the head?
Yes, sir.
Carlton Wallace? He's an upstanding model citizen with an impeccable record. He's a contractor who builds low-income houses for so many people.
Upstanding model citizen? Sir, this man is more than what he seems on the surface.
Where's your proof? Where's the proof to your claim?
I don't have any proof yet, sir.
But I do. I have proof right here. I have proof that you had an affair with this man. The man who's your friend's ex-husband. And my theory is you got emotionally involved and want revenge for getting hurt.
Revenge? Hurt? By who? Carlton Wallace? Sir, I may not have the proof yet, but this man is involved in land scamming and he has strategically linked his ex-wife to it. And not only that, he is also involved in the kidnapping of my nephew.
Your nephew? You mean the one that robbed his site for over $100,000 of material and was arrested? That nephew?
Sir, he wasn't arrested. He was taken. There was no report and there was no arresting officer at the station.
This is the report. And this is the arresting officer. His report states your nephew resisted arrest and escaped from it.
What? Talk your mind.
Talk my mind. Don't go on like you want to take man for you that, you know. That me I tell you.
What that's supposed to mean?
Exactly what I mean. If you are pre somebody, don't go on like you want to steer on me and draw me out, you know.
Pre somebody? Going on a dinner date with somebody? That was innocent.
5. Now tell me no foolish boy innocent. You think him have a carry out for no dinner date? A woman like you and have no ulterior motive?
Me no care about my ulterior motive. Me trust myself and me expect you to trust me too.
Well, hear this. You're not going to be a respect when you forward from your dinner date and conversation. You see me?
What you a do? What you really a do?
There's a big marijuana sale is going down this week. These are the suspects who are doing the selling. We have no information on who the buyers are. So, your best friend is into land scamming, and your nephew is into drug trafficking. You have your hands full, Agent. The only good thing is when they get taken down, they won't know it's you who's undercover. Bubbles. We need video of the transaction when Goody goes to meet a client or when your nephew goes on his weed sale. We'll do the rest.
Yes, sir. Sir, can I get a copy of that?
Of what?
The arresting officer.
I'll send it.
So hold on. Five, you really believe something I got us there and allow you to go back and forth with man and come back in my place? My girl, don't mistake stupidity with love, yeah? Dinner conversation not there, sir.
No. All we do, I argue. No more conversation a day here, so. Me cook, you eat, consume, you know what I mean. And you leave as you please.
Suppose I made it left out up on date with woman. How you feel about that, Five?
You do it already. You and your baby mother link up, me no know where go on. I smell her upon you, and me still not get Winston, how much time you left in the house ya? Me wake up in the bed and me not see you and you come in when you feel like. And me not get no explanation for that.
Oh. So this hour? Revenge?
No. This is for sure you say me an housewife or shop worker. Me as somebody who have needs. And I expect my man to attend to them. And you're trying to make somebody else do that for you.
Go up on the road still. See, if you feel the need to go up on another dinner date, feel free. But you see where you're going, just stay with them. You see me? My love, have limits. You say something?
You hear me say something? I say I love argument in a Winston. I say I love argument.
Oh, that the greatest world, boom!
Dog, man! You want to stop? Dog, man!
I'm the baddest dog
Yo,
in
me
town.
say right now, the pandemic, you open up my eyes and make me do some different things, brother.
Yeah, man, you know what the sitting go, man.
Brother, right now, I'm going to producing world. And me have the baddest rhythm, I mash up social media.
So now that's why me have to link the bodies right now.
Me say right now, more you hear it, dog. Sick, you know, dog.
Tough, man. Billboard.
Run the place with him, dog.
Yeah. International, my boy.
International.
International. You know the game go, man. You
Yeah,
know the
man.
game go.
Ball game.
So watch out the book.
Yeah.
I mean, I want a big man reason with you, you know.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get my girl to go up on a rhythm here, because I feel like she can mash up that rhythm here.
Yeah. Which girl that?
No good man, I want to you, man.
Goody.
Yeah.
My bestie. Young Goody still there?
We can't left. Already, I say me I got left it in the era now. Dog, but you know you can't left me, you know, say, yeah, I'm a Aussie, I want me to
Yeah.
be a thing, you know.
Yeah, but the fire and all the couple man, but if you understand herself, come watch her now. You're gonna make she voice on the big with my big artist voice on it, you know.
No, she can't left.
Jesus Christ, you're tired with music.
Alright.
Yes.
I mean, it's not really my taste, but I mean, it's big enough. I can make it work. I'm sure I can make it work. I think I'll put some chandeliers over there, and then I can put a big couch over there. I think I can make it work. Don't worry, don't worry. Like all of these, Carl, all of these that have to go. These can't stay. Alright, so sort that out for me. But this, we can keep this, alright?
But that's for hairdressers. You can't do hair?
I didn't tell you. I completely forgot. Of course I can do hair. I just like spending your money to do my hair.
Never a dull moment with you, Sandra. Alright, so you're keeping that, getting rid of this. So this is the place.
Yeah. Oh, and I'll keep that too. The chair that was behind you.
Okay. Anything you want, Sandra? Anything else?
Well, maybe about 600,000. You know, to start.
Okay. No problem.
Charmian. What?
Me said I better make it before come to surgeon for.
Take a seat, Charmian. Take a seat.
Jeez.
Can't get tired. So, Charmian, may I need to talk to you about the music.
Is that mix already?
Charmian, that me need to talk to you about. Me not think you're ready for the music yet on that level yet.
What me do now, Mr. DB, sir? Me do everything what you tell me to do. You tell me to give you different style, me give you different style. You tell me to double it up, me double it up. You tell me nah sit down pan the rhythm, me take his CD bring on me yard and me sit down pan it. Gilly beg me fi come in the bed and me tell him no. Mr. DB say me fi sit down pan the rhythm, so me a sit down pan it fi all night.
Charmian, you sit down, but
Miss Gode. Miss Gode.
yeah.
Forward, mama. Do already. Fully active, you know? Yeah.
You good now?
Yeah, man. Up, man. You see me?
Yeah, cause it too stiff, man.
Alright. Go there now, man. You see me? That's why paint up the place for the Christmas.
Hello, you know from when me send that go buy the plate for me?
Yeah. I would not better deal with boy. So I go and eat. When you start paint at the place?
Go weekend.
Alright. Book feet, you know. What
Alright.
color you drop it in on the body? The same color?
No man, but one look a brighter color like yellow or something. Me I go around this twin, because I'm somebody for ramp.
Alright, man.
You know, I care for you. And I will be there for you. But listen me. Good day, I start a little thing at the bar out here, so I look a karaoke thing. I'm going to use it as a training. You see me? And look on it that way, yeah. You cannot sing and do a training, and you cannot work your little money at the bar as a superstar.
Yes, Mr. DB, sir, we like all this sound, man.
Yeah, man. So everything I got set for you, not for yourself.
Alright, Mr. DB, sir. So when me start the karaoke? Give me on.
Watch ya? Big artist?
Oh, the Miss Goody.
So me never see when you pass me.
Miss Goody, remember say house big, you know? So maybe I need downstairs at the time when me a pass.
Oh. You. Me no beg you buy the paint for me dog bed?
Good, me da run off some studio time and forgot to buy the paint. But buy a roller, buy a brand new roller.
Roller? The roller we out there, sir? This you buy?
Wait. See the youth where I buy it from? Him say him use it one time. I'm just a sell me back.
You not stop.
Goody. I need to talk to you. Serious note.
One on, cause you always want to talk.
Shaman, give me a minute there.
Alright, you hear me, Sir Davey?
Alright.
When I go hook.
Show you go on.
When I go hook on the rhythm.
Go on, man.
Shaman.
Watch out. Go on, man, stop peeling. Go on.
So someone, yeah. Goody, at first you come in the studio. Tell me what studio look.
And the studio I come, and you I come to find out where the paint there. But I like, you know, you're going with yourself. But that bed, how will you get them back a picture yet? Now you look at this. So a big girl now. Watch here. I have my college certificate. I said it's there. Them something for going to studio, you know. What you want to talk to me about, Damien? Because I know say, I know that.
Alright, listen. Me have a bad rhythm, and I know say it'll fit your voice.
You come back with that again. I say I not do no music, Damien. I can't bother with them something there. Too much fight against some old on thing in this dance. I can't bother. I'm good in my bar.
Goody, listen to me. You see now, the gate free up. And you see after 2020, you will see.
So this supposed to convince me? Damien, you are right, you know, me
Goody.
around.
5 years me there for.
There?
Did there for. Listen, I know musical talent when I see it. And you have it. Me have a bad rhythm. And so when I play the rhythm here, you say if you don't like it and you don't feel it, never bother you again.
Alright. Play it. I hope I like it. Trust
I
me.
bet you gonna like it.
Who got ready, boy?
Ready?
Go on. You never stop to the drum note, you know. Here's I know. My face cute, my not for ask.
Yeah.
Body thick and round, my not for ask. Skin pretty, my not for ask. My name Goody, I'm a good, my not for ask. To all me live them up with top boat. Body turn up and everything start out.
Yeah.
No broke boy can't come in on my house. My name Goody, I'm a good, my not for ask. Pull up that. You see you? You never stop.
I am your host with the most charming. Are you ready for me? I can't hear you now. Alright, let me see how I get them where you know so the man can't go on no chat say not at all. Alright, you can't tell me what he go, what he do, what he dress. Me no idiot. You want next one people? You want next one? Me look good, me smell good, me a good ass, me have it up there, me a wife, material, me black, me brown, me short it all, me not even. Miss Goody, I karaoke, give me a practice, sir.
No man. Show me in.
Yeah.
Oh, you not gonna do one.
Miss Goody, I can't be a boss here.
Goody, you busy? You busy? Come check me up on my house. Me need to talk to you.
Right now?
Right now.
The money finished long time. Yeah, but I'm gonna buy some stuff I need. Stuff like one dress. I'm gonna tell you what a dress here. You see that dress that me buy? I said just sit down on me like I meet them and make it for. And then I go to the ear store after. So I said I want to change my ear color. You know it was like the blondish white color. I said I'm gonna change it. I mean that thing about orange, I mean that thing about blue. But then I said no man, cause through my black dress special no one look away. I said I'm gonna try pink. I say you are gonna like the pink here. And you like playing on my ear long time. Why you want to spoil my night, Carlton? I don't know where she is and I don't care. She take up herself and leave. But come make it clear to her say if she gets herself in any more trouble, me nor you now go look up on her so she depend on her own. That was permanent. Let's just change the topic. Wait there. She just texted me a while ago. I forgot to see what she wants because I just can't bother. Alright then, you deserve it, so come. Alright, later.
Goody, I call you over here because whatever I have to say to you, I feel safer in my house. I say to you. Me and your friend for years, like from college, yeah? Whatever I go say to you, me no want you freak out.
Bubbles, just hurry on talk, okay? You make me get nervous. How are you, pregnant?
Goody, no, me not pregnant. You remember when me that trained for join the force?
Yeah, and them failure?
Yeah. Them called me about 2 weeks after that and assigned me to a special task force.
So you're police?
Undercover.
Jesus Christ, Bubbles.
Ups and downs, and sometimes it seems like me no love you, but Chanel know this. I love you unconditionally. You are literally the only family I have. But know this, some things me no say to you are because me know you can't handle stress well. But here what, this is something where you have to hear. You see the same man where you place all of your trust in her? At the same damn man who said no mother gone mad house. Yes, Chanel, at the same man who said we mother go a mad house. And me a talk about say, him tell me himself, me never hear this from no grapevine, pink wall or daydream. And him tell me personally out time out when he did set me up and lock me up. You hear me I tell you, I see the house where we live in a Chanel, I feel him own. That's why I can't talk certain things in there. So here what? Just meet me down a V-Pine and we explain the rest to you.
And you keep this from me so long?
Goody, me never know how to tell you.
Me not.
Goody.
Bubbles. So all this time, you couldn't even pinch me and tell me?
Goody, when you're undercover, you can't utter a word, you know. You don't know who is who.
I don't know who is who. Because I have you as my best friend.
Goody, me still your best friend. Me still have your back. Whatever me I go tell you now, me can lose my work feet. You're under investigation.
For what?
The land scamming business.
Jesus. So how them know about that? And for believe say you say something cause you're undercover. God knows star. It's like me can't get no break. I want a best friend.
Good, me I still your best friend. I go find a way to get you out of this. Goody. Me ever feel you yet? We need to talk. Sorry, Arvin.
Yeah.
Flight.
Sorry. I don't want to fly on my forehead. I'm sweating it with a stick. You see? It with a stick.
It's not that serious.
Are you hearing yourself? You hear your son? You are telling me saying a piece of your word something? It's not okay for your man to put some hand. Fuck, I wasn't you know.
You tell me nah sit down pan the rhythm. Me take your CD from you, bring her me yard, and me sit down pan it. Gilly tell me if you come in my bed, me tell him say Mr. DB say me if you sit down pan the rhythm. No, me tell him no.
No.
You them are poor road and
You want the bartender?
Eh?
You want the bartender?
Yeah, man.
Yes, I.
Brother, just listen to me.
You want respect?
Yeah. How many salad drop?
Next week.
I'm my birthday next week and a Christmas day.
No, I'm not about the store. The store.
Yes.
And next week? Oh.
Yeah. Sure. My birthday and Christmas and that. Alright. My one on the 20th. This month? Yeah, man. What you say? That's a young blessing of your. Yes, I. Yeah, man. That's alright. Big up yourself. Yeah? Yes, I.
Bartender family, I want to help me wish the man responsible for putting all of this together, Mr. Abel Hall. Help me wish him a blessed earth strong and pray him live to see many, many more wealth of blessings and prosperity, health, long life and enough love. Blessings, brother. Happy earth strong.
I just want to say a big happy birthday to my father, my boss, Mr. Arvilla Hall, aka the Professor. You don't know some love it to my heart. Thank you so much for being the person that you are, and happy birthday.
Happy birthday to my father, Arvilla Hall. Someone will call him sir, but you don't know say you're my daddy. Yeah, so big up yourself by your earth strong and enough more love and many more to come. Love you. Mwah.
I want to wish you a happy birthday, and I hope you live to see many more. You have no idea how much it means to me if I work with you like the legend. When we grew up, I watch on TV, I dance, and I mash up the whole place like sir. No bartender, you say, yo, you have to in there in the car, you're bad. I was like, really? That man, when me look up to, I go tell me that? Like, sir, you have no idea how much love and respect I have for you. Big up yourself, and I hope you live to see many more. And me love you bad.
Yeah, man, I just want to tell my uncle, the general in the army, the dancehall professor, Arville, Expressions Hall, Blessed Earth Strong, full joy, every minute, code is life.
Big up to the man with a dream, the man with a vision, our boss, Mr. Orville Hall. You don't know, say today you're Earth Strong. One more year for the book of them. Yeah, you. I could talk the things them now. Talk about the dancehall professor now. Yeah, a good year make you know that, you know. Happy birthday, my boss, Orville Hall. Big up yourself.
I just want to say happy Earth Strong to my boss, to a friend, to I don't know the words. But I just want to say happy Earth Strong Villa. Enough love, enough respect. You know, my hats off to you. I always tell you say you're a genius in disguise, and you are blessed, and I will wish for you loads of prosperity. Yeah, coming from the first lady. Mwah.
Orville is the baddest teacher I know. Orville, because of him, look, I'm a grow. Orville is the baddest dog in town. Orville, can't take my father for your clown. Happy birthday, Phil. Enough love, respect. Don't know. We're on it.